Let's play a prank on my sister. You can go on Google and find a phone crack prank screen here that I downloaded on my sister's phone. I'm going to save it as the wallpaper. Okay, use as wallpaper, and let's go prank her. All right, she's sleeping now. I got her crack phone. Let me just drop it. I don't really want to drop it that hard, so let me just... Was that my phone? Oh no! I got a cracked screen! Oh man. How did it even fall on the ground? I had it right under here. Look closer. Wait a minute. That's not real. Pranked ya. Seriously? That's the third one